This concealer. Like this concealer. Good morning. It's early in the morning, so I think this is going to be a daytime vlog because lately I've been vlogging a lot of my daily vlogs late in the evening. Let's just say late in the evening because we start off in the evening. But good morning. Today is October the 9th. It's already October the 9th. But anywho, I'm getting my day started. It's very early in the morning. Yes. And I need to put on my lipstick because I love wearing my lipstick. So let's go do that. Let me get y'all hoisted up on here really good. Okay. So I'm gonna be a little busy for 8 hours this morning. But at first I wanted to start this vlog out by exercising a little bit with my stretch band thing, like working my back muscles and my tummy muscles and all that stuff. So maybe I'll exercise later and vlog it. But yeah, that was really my go-to plan for this morning. But I'll plan that another time. I feel like the camera is too close. Okay. There we go. Now I'm in the camera because at first I was like, I'm not in the camera. Let me get my little lipstick bottle. Gotta get my mirror so I can see. Let me fix this. Maybe I'll put on some eyeshadow, just maybe. But I'm feeling good. It's early in the morning. Good to get up and get some work done. Let this first coat dry and then I'll add some more lipstick in a little bit. Let me put on some skincare moisturizer. But how y'all doing? I hope all is great with y'all. Thanks for stopping by to view this vlog. I'm so happy you decided to stop by. Really happy. Yes, I am. So I'm gonna wear my braids down today, but I do have my hair tied just in case, you know, I get annoyed with the hair being down. But I just want to try to start making it a habit to wearing my braids, you know, down, because when I was younger, I used to wear box braids a lot because my mama used to braid my hair a lot when I was a kid, and I always wore my hair down or up like this and down in the back. You know what I mean? Something cute like this up. No, that don't look cute. Or like that, you know, with the ponytail. Had to have it cute, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna just try to get back into the habit of just, you know, girl, letting my hair down and being cute with it. Yeah, because I love my braids. You know what? I need to purchase some more concealer, but I did find this concealer here.
Your girl need to get rid of a lot of makeup. Like, I need to throw away a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this concealer on underneath my black eyes. Why do I do my face like that? Something else. What am I doing? I'm just trying to give y'all like a display. No idea. But I be seeing some of these ladies here on YouTube. They be doing a good job on their makeup, right? And I just be so inspired because I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. When I first started doing YouTube vlogs, I kind of called myself wanting to be a, you know, beauty guru. Is that what you call them? You know, like doing your makeup and stuff. That's what I wanted to do. I know I look a hot mess. But yeah, that's what I really wanted to do, was makeup. I don't know, I just love the aesthetics of makeup. Like, putting makeup on. Girl. Yes. Hot lips. Wait, see, I told y'all I do not know how to do makeup.
Okay, let me tell y'all something. This was a makeup fail. I gotta go purchase some brand new concealer and not put on makeup when I have like skincare product on my skin because I have very sensitive skin. Okay, so since my skin got irritated and I'm very cautious of my skin because when I was younger, I broke out in my face from putting on like this face mask. I had no business putting on because I was in my mama's stuff, thinking that I know how to, you know, take care of my skin. And my skin broke out and it was really bad. So I had to drink a lot of vitamin C in my water for my skin to clear up. Now, I know vitamin C is good for your skin because it cleared up my skin. And what I would do was like take the vitamin C powder and put it in my water bottle and then shake it and drink it every day. And that's how I cleared up my skin from breaking out when I was younger. And that was a traumatizing experience that I went through. And I'm so grateful that like kids in high school didn't make fun of my skin at the time because it looked really bad. Put my perfume on and I'll be good. Spray my braids. Ta-da! See y'all in a little bit.